The Cane Corso Italiano is a large pedigree dog from Italy which was once used for hunting wild boars and badgers and for guarding large herds of cattle. History and origin of the Cane Corso. Cane means dog, and corso comes from the Latin cohors, meaning guard or guardian. The dog is also known as the Italian Corso dog or Italian Mastiff. The origin of the Cane Corso is not fully established, but it is assumed to be a descendant of the Roman Molosses. As far back as the 4th century AD, shepherd dogs resembling today's Cane Corso were found in Sicily and southern Italy. There is a theory that the dog descends from the Mastino Napolitano, but this is disputed by many. While the Cane Corso used to be found all over Italy, today it is mainly found in Puglia and the neighboring provinces in the south of the country. Cane Corso dogs were exported for the first time from the beginning of the 1990s, in particular to the USA, as well as former Eastern Bloc countries and Germany. However, the dogs were not fully recognized by the FCI until 2007. Today, Cane Corsos are mainly used as guard, protection and police dogs. Sometimes they are also in use as herd protection dogs. In some countries, the owning of Cane Corsos is strictly regulated or even forbidden. Appearance of the Cane Corso. The FCI states the height at the withers should be between 64 to 68 centimeters for males and 60 to 64 centimeters for females. According to the breed standard, the weight should be between 40 to 50 kilos depending on the sex. The average life expectancy of the dogs is 9 to 12 years. Their coats are short, very dense and shiny with little undercoat. The colors black, all shades of grey and yellow, as well as deer red and brindle are allowed by the FCI. The black or grey mask in fallow-coloured and brindle dogs should be restricted to the muzzle and should not extend beyond the eyeline. The elegant and robust Molosser has a broad, powerful head with a striking stop and pronounced furrowed forehead. The dog's triangular, high-set and drooping ears are often docked, although this is now forbidden in many countries. Temperament and training of the Cane Corso. Although they can be rather intimidating, Cane Corsos are faithful, child-loving, quiet, playful and affectionate dogs. To keep their distinctive protective instinct, where they aggressively defend their owner or their family in check, they need to be given a consistent training. The dogs are not recommended for unexperienced owners, and it is a good idea to socialize puppies very early on. Exercise and care of the Cane Corso. The very docile but otherwise sporty Molosser needs plenty of exercise and things to do during the day, which ideally means long walks or dog sports of different kinds. The breeding of Cane Corsos has become more and more popular in recent times, and with it have come increased reports of diseases such as hip and elbow dysplasia, especially among show animals and prize-winning dogs. Furthermore, there also have been increased reports of heart muscle diseases and eye problems. Cane Corsos are not particularly demanding in terms of care. Regular brushing and combing are sufficient to preserve their shiny coat.